Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have your data. Now pick the percentile you want and the correct function. First, confirm the cells contain numbers only and remove blanks. Then decide, use percentile. Inc array K for inclusive percentiles or percentile. Exc array K for exclusive ones, use K as a decimal like 0. 90 for the 90th. Once done, place the formula in a separate cell, don't overwrite data, and point the array to the full range. Make sure K is between 0 and 1. Now enter the formula and validate inputs. Type equals percentile. Inc A2, A101, 0. 9, replacing range and K as needed. If you'll copy the cell, lock the range with $1.02, $101. If your K is a cell reference, use 0. 9 in a cell and reference it so you can tweak percentiles quickly. Once entered, press enter and check the result. The function interpolates between values when K doesn't land on an exact rank, which gives a precise percentile rather than a simple nearest neighbor. Finish by confirming and guarding results. To verify, sort a copy of the data and inspect the approximate position for that percentile. This confirms interpolation behavior. If you need the percentile of a specific value, use %rank. Inc range value. If the formula errors, check for text cells, blanks, or a K outside 0 to 1, fix the input or wrap the call in IFER to display a friendly message. Make sure calculation mode is automatic, so results update when data changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.